Hello, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, you are going to learn how to make a beautiful interactive carousel using the indicator. So we're also using of components and also having a variant. So get started and let's get started. So firstly, go to your rectangle tool, click on the rectangle tool. So you bring it out here. So you have the radius, put it at 16. So you have to duplicate this. So you highlight, you click on one to go to your plugin, click on a splash. So you can try to use other images, but I'm using show is here. So search for a preferred one that you want to use. I can prefer to change the show that I used in the video. So let's just keep it this way. So I'm having this here. So I'm having this here. So good. So the next we are going to do is highlight on this and click create a set of components. Let me close this. So I'm having this. So now bring this out here. So the next is for you to just have your auto layout. Then you duplicate this. So you can prefer to give this 20. You're padding the distance between these two, so it's 20. So now, all I have to do is I'm going to create a component here, another component, create another component. So I'm going to reduce the size of this. Good. So I'm going to have effects, layer blur, put it at 5 or 4. So depends on the image. So now next I'm going to change this to, let's say, let's just say yes, let's just put that yes. So then I'm going to come to the property, then change this to yes and this to no. Good. So I'm going to bring this down here. Then I'm going to have my auto layout. Then I'm going to duplicate this here. So this is going to be off or no. So then I'm going to change this image to rectangle 2, rectangle 4 to 15 rather. So next is for me to have my indicator. So let's do our indicator. So I'm going to give this, let's say 5. I'm going to give this 16 or 24. Let's just put it at 16. Good. So radius is going to be 4. Say 20. Just have a long radius. Good. So let's make this 24. So to have it's too big. So next is for me to create this as a component and have the variant. And this I'm going to make sure it's going to be 5 2. Good. So this I'm going to change the color, let's say to gold. So next is click on the rectangle tool, then come here, edit properties. I'm going to put this yes also as yes and this as no. So I just change this to dots, let's say dots. Good. So now I'm going to make this out now. So also I'm going to have an auto layout, then let me just put this at 5. Okay. So on this I'm going to put this at, let's say 4. So yeah, I'm going to click here, then I'm going to have it duplicate. So click on this frame, then I'm going to change the direction here to this. So the frame is going to look odd content, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. So this I'm going to change it to off. I'm going to off this. So the next is for me to create another component here. So let's say indicator, limit indicator. So Yes. So let's name it indicator. So I'm going to create another variant, 3 variants. Okay, so here I'm going to put this off. Here I'm going to put this at yes. This no. This is going to be yes. Okay, so now let's go back to our image here. So I'm having this, then our indicator, I'm going to bring it down here. So I'm going to have this, and I'm going to click on this and click on this and make it an auto layout. Good. So you can see it here. So now what I have to do is just to collapse this here. So and make sure this is at the center. It's at the center. Put it at the center. Okay, good. So all you have to do is also just create a component here. So have a variant, another variant. Good. So now I'm having this here. So this also. So I want to perform a trick here. So here you are just okay. Let me expand the clipping so you can see everything here. So when you click here, double click here, then I'm going to make sure this becomes to the middle. So I'm going to off this. I'm going to off this. I'm going to on this as yes. You can see. So also my indicator. So I'm going to on this. I'm going to off this. Sorry. I'm going to change it to variant 2. So variant 2. So also same thing here. Click here. Good. Okay. Before you do that, so that's you are going to have this as off. This as on. Then click here. Then you have you have the double click. So you're having nested. So when you click here, you're going to have variant 3. So now we already have our, so you can wish to collapse it back, you can wish to leave it that way, it depends. So now let's say this is our shoes, let's put it there, shoes. Okay, good. So now let me just bring it out here. So let's okay, good. So next is for me to make prototyping. So all you have to do is go to your prototype, then click here from here to here. So Y dragging. So instead of moving smart animation, so you can change this to 200 milliseconds. So good. Same thing here. Drag it here. Drag milliseconds. Okay, let's use ease in and ease out. So here also ease in, ease out, and ease out. You can like changing it. So here to change it to drag. So 200 milliseconds. So good. So I'm going to connect this back to this. Okay, good. So now let's go. Wow. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on UI. Thank you.